Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dhaval. I'm out here in Cerritos, California, in Little India here on Pioneer Boulevard, and I'm out here today to buy some Indian groceries and well, actually some Indian foods and snacks, I should say. And I'm gonna go get some lunch first over here. I'm really starving. I just drove up and it took about an hour and a half right now with traffic, and just hoping this place is open here. Yeah, this is the place I was going to here. It's called Yantra Kitchen. So, just hoping to get some chicken and maybe some tandoori roti or naan or something like that. And let's see what they have here. So, maybe we can walk into the place here. It's called Yantra. It's kind of a cool design, don't you think? Let's check it out here. Let's take a look at the menu. Just gonna wait here. How you doing, man? Just one. Yeah, one for lunch. You guys got some good chicken dishes here, right?
Yes.
All right, fantastic. Let's go up against here, yeah? All right, cool, thanks. Let's take a look at what they have. Just kind of looking at this here. The full menu. I like to have it always extra spicy here. Let's check it out here. What I'm probably going to order is probably the Okay, everyone, so I got the food and I just wanted to show it to you. I got Onion Kulcha, which is Indian bread. Doesn't that look delicious? I got the chicken curry. Look at these chunks of chicken. It's very hot, very spicy, very nutritious. And I got some Bastmati rice here. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see, is I'm going to pour some of this Basmati rice over here. I'm going to take my chicken curry right here. And when you're having chicken curry too, you have to make sure you definitely put a lot of gravy on here too, along with the meat. And these chunks are really big here. You can see I just kind of slopped it all on there here. Really cool. And I'm going to take my naan bread, which I pointed out here to you in a minute, just a minute ago. And this is called Onion Kulcha. It's a kind of naan bread, I should say, and it's stuffed there with naan and with onions. And they add ghee to it and everything, and cook it in the tandoor oven. So let's go ahead and indulge a little bit in here, shall we? So I'm going to try to break this chicken up here. Take some of the rice, put it in the bread like so, and take a bite. And I have to say it's fantastic. The chicken is super tender. And the curry is awesome. It's very spicy. And the naan, the onion kulcha, is crisp but very tender on the inside. So I'm just gonna take another bite here. As you can see, look at that. Doesn't that look good? That's really fantastic, guys. Heaven right now, especially after a long drive. So I'm at this place again called Yantra, which is here in Little India in Cerritos, California, which is about 20-25 miles south of downtown Los Angeles. So if you're ever in the area here, definitely check it out. But again, I'm having a chicken curry, onion kulcha, Basmati rice, and and having it all here together for lunch. I'm going to just kind of take another bite here. Let's get a little bit more chicken here. And take a bite. And it's amazing. So anyway, hope everybody liked this video. And I will check in with you guys later. This is Dhaval signing off here from Yantra Restaurant out here in Cerritos, California. All right, talk to you guys soon.